I have followed Élevage and Epicurean on Facebook since they opened, and I saw that there was a contest, a dish that you remember from your childhood, and it was around 10 o'clock at night sitting on my couch, and I thought, oh, okay, I'll think of one. I grew up here in South Tampa, and I just thought of chicken and dumplings that my mother used to make, and I wrote the story.
So I'm just starting the ragu. So a little carrot and celery that we're just gonna cook down with some button mushrooms. So I was waiting for cook that down. We're gonna bring our pasta water up and we're gonna drop our gnudi. So duck breast is brine seared sous vide duck leg, so it's got kind of a nice infused flavor to it. So we're gonna fold that in. When we're looking for inspiration, we're also looking for execution. So something that kind of similar to maybe something we've done before, or maybe not even done before, but more or less how can we put it together with a little bit of speed and efficiency. So this was something that could be sauteed on the pickup, something that's already partially cooked and we're just crisping up. So it's kind of 1, 2, 3 to pick it up. The whole pickup maybe takes about 6 minutes. For sous vide, you're always going to have a medium, so it's just barely cooked through. That's what kind of you're looking for to do. But we usually serve it anywhere between medium to medium rare. Here you go.
Thank
So
you.
you have our sous vide crispy duck breast, ricotta gnudi, duck confit ragu. So based on your inspiration for chicken and dumplings, hope you enjoy.
Thank you, thank you. It looks wonderful. I'm the youngest of 9 children, so a lot of what we had was lots of comfort food and things that could last and kind of feed all 11 of us at a table. So when she went to the trouble of making the homemade dumplings, we all were really excited, and it was one of our favorites. And it's actually something that I've never made myself, even though I love to cook. Ooh.